Hi there, welcome to the newer section of Power BI, DAX in Power BI Desktop. So, what is DAX? DAX stands for Data Analysis Expression. It's a collection of functions such as mean, max, average, sum, etc. Operators such as add, subtract, divide, etc. And constants such as pi, square root, lambda, etc. which is used in a formula or expression to calculate or return one or more values. Using DAX expression, we can create a table, column and measure. In modeling tab of report view, here in calculation section, we will get options to create new measure, quick measure, new column and new tab. Table view and model view, we will get all these options in Home tab, then Calculation, and here are the options. It helps us to create new information about our data. For example, we have data of sales amount of different regions of January month, and we want to find the total sales for January. Total sales is not there in our data. So we are going to create a new information, that is total sales, by adding all the sales amount for the month of January. We can create this info or we can do this calculation by creating a new measure using DAX function. So we want to find the total sales. So the measure name is total sales. Then we want to find the sum of total sales for the month of January. So select January table sales column, then close the parenthesis, then hit enter. Here in the data pane, we can see that a new info or a new measure is created, that is total sales. Let's go to report view, then select this KPI card and drag this total sales. So the total sales amount is 94,092K, and which was not there in the data, and we have created or calculated this information from the existing data. There are over 250 functions used in DAX formula. There are various types of DAX functions such as aggregation, date and time, filter, financial, and so on. That's all for this video. Thank you.